In the previous session, we studied about the earth, whereas in our today's session, we are going to study a new topic, that is chapter 6, weather and climate. Firstly, we are going to study what is weather. Here we have a picture. In this picture, we observe a bright day with sun shining brightly. Now, when we see the sun, we say it's sunny day. Now, during sunny days, we observe that we feel hot and we sweat or we perspire. This is because of the hotness, means sunny day. Now, look at this picture. In this picture, we observe many clouds in the sky. When we observe many clouds in the sky, we say it is a cloudy day. Now, here in such days, it happens that the clouds doesn't allow most of the sun rays to pass on the earth. This results into having a day with less hotness. Now, look at this picture. What do you see? You see rain. Now, when there are more clouds in the sky, which appear dark, water droplets falls down on the earth from those dark clouds, and we say it is raining. So, it is a rainy day. Now, what do you see in this next picture? In this picture, we see that there is thunder and lightning. When we see thunder and lightning coming out of the clouds, we say there is a storm. So, it is a stormy day. Now, here in this picture, we see a strong wind blowing away. When we see trees moving and things flying around due to strong wind, that's because it's windy. So, a windy day. Now, talking about different types of weather, how weather differs from place to place. That is, a same place does not have different type of weather at the same time. These conditions take place in the atmosphere. Now, sunny, cloudy, rainy, stormy, windy. This type of atmospheric conditions are called as types of weather. I repeat, sunny, cloudy, rainy, stormy, windy are the atmospheric conditions, and these atmospheric conditions are called as types of weather. Now, what is weather? Also, a weather depends on the temperature, air pressure, wind, moisture, precipitation. Now, these are the 5 things which helps the weather to be present at a particular place. Means a weather can be present at a particular place when these 5 things are available. Now, what is a weather? The atmospheric conditions prevailing at a place and at a given time is called weather. I said, what are atmospheric conditions? Atmospheric conditions means The examples were like sunny, windy, rainy, etc. Those type of atmospheric conditions, when they prevail at a place at a particular time, it is called weather. The next point is the weather is a short-lived phenomenon. Now, what does this mean? This means that the weather in the morning is cool, the weather in the afternoon is warm or hot, and the weather in the evening is cloudy. So, if this type of example can be given when you want to state that a weather is a short-lived phenomenon. Now, through this, we also understand that at a particular time or at a particular short period of time, a weather is available. Meaning, in the morning time, the weather was different, whereas in the afternoon time, the weather was different, and in the evening time, the weather was different. So during different time of the day, we observe changes in the atmosphere. The next point is weather of a place can change rapidly, meaning it can be bright and sunny with a clear sky in the morning, while in the evening the sky can be covered with dark clouds, or if it may rain in the morning, but in the afternoon it may be bright and sunny. Now, considering this example about raining in the morning and bright and sunny in the afternoon, we see a rapid change in this type of weather. How? Because in the morning, since it was raining, means the weather was totally different. Whereas in the afternoon, the weather changed quickly. That is, it became bright and sunny. Now, this explains that weather of a place can change rapidly. The weather conditions of a place differs at a same time. Look at the statement properly. The statement clearly states that a different place has different weather. Different place has different weather at the same time. Now look at the table. In this table, we have place, state, time, and weather. Talking about the place, we have three different places which are situated at different states at a same time, that is 12:30 p.m. with different weathers. That is, Kochi has the weather cloudy, Bhopal has the weather hot and sunny, Mussoorie has the weather cold and mild sun. Now these different type of weathers are prevailing at the same time, that is 12:30 p.m. Now, for example, in these three places, you have put some clothes to dry off. You have put some clothes to dry off. Now, considering these places, from this place, which of the place will dry off the clothes quickly? So the answer will be Bhopal. Bhopal is a place where the clothes will dry off quickly. Why? Because it is hot and sunny. Now, since Bhopal is situated among the equatorial region, since Bhopal is situated among between equatorial region, the weather is hot and sunny, and which results into quick drying of clothes. Whereas Mussoorie is a place where clothes will take time to get dry. Why? Because the weather at Mussoorie is cold with mild sun. Now, since Mussoorie is situated at mountainous region, we already know that mountainous region has coolness or cold weather. That is why Mussoorie will take longer time to dry off the clothes. Now, this was all about what is weather. In our next part, we shall study the elements of weather and climate. Thank you.